Viewer discretion is advised. Hello people and welcome to Called by Police channel, a channel that features only the best moments caught in interaction with police officers. If this is your first time on our channel, please hit subscribe button.
Get ready.
Today's episode is all about high-speed police pursuits and dramatic police chases. In first video, dramatic footage shows police chase a thug at 100 miles per hour chase in a stolen BMW and escape.
I am not sure if it got stung at the Scott Arms or not. If we can confirm, it's now bolts into traffic. It's lane 1. It's into some temporary roadworks. It has a good clear view. Now it's back onto the lane 2. Appropriate to continue. Medium risk. 40 miles per hour.
Okay, thank you for that attention.
There's 3 people on board. They've got severe deflation. Looks like they're getting ready to decamp and putting coats on and shoveling things in the car. Get ready.
Out yet, going to the dead end at the bottom of the road. Driver's door is open again. Driver is out. Just tumbled over. White t-shirt, blue joggers, and running out of city. No one else is out from the vehicle at the moment.
Driver's in custody.
And this one is really intense. This is one of the worst cases of dangerous driving where driver is eventually caught and jailed for 16 months. suburban Dallas police officer was speeding up to catch a speeding driver when he slammed into another car that pulled in front of him. We hope police officer is doing just fine.
The officer's car flew off the road and into a wooded area, clipping several trees before coming to a stop. No one was hurt in the crash.
To High Street, back towards Maltby Nick. Have we got any district for stop sticks, please? Have we time for that? Yeah, he's overtaking. Yeah, he's overtaking. Manner of driving still medium risk, although he is taking slightly more risk now, overtaking back towards Maltby Nick on Robert Road. Yeah, I think he's been stung. Stand by. Yeah, we're still Rotherham Road, approaching straight through a red traffic light. Narrowly. He's crashed with... Yeah, that vehicle's pulled over. And we're still off Rotherham Road, A631, back towards Maltby Nick. It looks like he's about to lose his front offside.
Ecstasy Dave, confirm that Lewis, please.
Yeah, it's the mice crashed. Entrance to Maltby Nick.
Yes, crash Maltby Nick, confirm vehicle stop, sir.
Another episode comes to an end on our channel, and we hope that was interesting content for you. If there is something you'd like us to change or improve, feel free to write us down in the comments below. Until the next episode, drive safe and respect the law.